Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your tokens in no time. It's super important to handle crypto carefully, so let's get started and make sure you're set up for success. First things first, before we jump in, ensure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Coinbase, and that you have some SHIB tokens in your Bitrue wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's a game-changer in the crypto world. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section and select SHIB from your list of assets. You'll want to check your balance to confirm how much you're sending. Remember, crypto transactions aren't always instant, so plan ahead. Next, navigate to the withdrawal page on Bitrue. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, and then paste in your Coinbase wallet address. Where do you get that address? Easy. Log into Coinbase, go to your SHIB wallet, and copy the address from there. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, hit the withdraw button on Bitrue. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction, including any network fees. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Once submitted, the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. After that, hop back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet. You should see your SHIB tokens arrive shortly. If there's any delay, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Finally, once everything's confirmed, you're all set. Always remember to stay vigilant against scams and keep your private keys secure. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.